fun sound effect, hummingbird chirping, upbeat, whimsical background music fades in. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of one of nature's most incredible creatures, the hummingbird. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to uncover 10 amazing facts about these tiny avian acrobats. From their unbelievable flying skills to their superpowered metabolisms, hummingbirds are packed with surprises. So buckle up and get ready for a whirlwind tour of everything that makes hummingbirds so amazing. Let's get started. Okay, first up, we're talking about flight. Specifically the incredible flight capabilities of the hummingbird. Hummingbirds are famous for their aerial acrobatics, performing maneuvers that seem almost impossible. But did you know they're the only birds on Earth that can fly backwards? Yes, you heard that right. That's right. These little guys can zip around in any direction they please, making them masters of the sky. Up, down, sideways, even backwards. It's all the same to them. Their agility is truly unmatched. This incredible ability comes from their unique wing structure, which is unlike any other bird. Unlike other birds, who flap their wings up and down in a more straightforward manner, hummingbirds rotate their wings in a figure-8 pattern. This unique motion is key to their flight prowess. This gives them precise control over their movements, allowing for incredible feats of agility. They can hover in mid-air, dart between flowers with pinpoint accuracy, and even fly upside down. It's like they're defying gravity with every twist and turn, making them a marvel to watch. They're like tiny helicopters, buzzing around with incredible agility and speed. Next time you see a hummingbird in action, really pay attention to their wings. Notice the rapid, precise movements. It's a sight you won't soon forget. Their flight is a true wonder of nature, a testament to the marvels of evolution. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this next fact is truly mind-blowing. Hummingbirds have the fastest metabolism of any animal on Earth, except for insects. These tiny birds are like nature's little dynamos, constantly buzzing with energy. That's right, these tiny creatures are like miniature furnaces, burning energy at an astonishing rate. Their wings beat so rapidly that they can flap up to 80 times per second. To fuel their supercharged metabolisms, hummingbirds need to eat constantly. They have to visit hundreds of flowers each day to get enough nectar. We're talking about consuming their body weight in nectar every single day. Imagine having to eat that much just to keep going. That's like you or me eating over 280 hamburgers a day just to stay alive. It's an incredible feat of nature. They're constantly on the move, searching for the sweetest nectar to keep their energy levels up. Their relentless quest for food is a full-time job. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it, right? Even these energetic birds need to take a break now and then. Their tiny hearts beat up to 1,260 times per minute, which is simply astonishing. And they take around 250 breaths per minute. This rapid breathing helps them get the oxygen they need to sustain their high-energy lifestyle. Talk about living life in the fast lane. These incredible birds are truly nature's metabolic superstars. We've already talked about how hummingbirds can fly backwards, but get this. They can beat their wings up to 80 times per second. That's an astonishing feat of nature, considering how small these birds are. Their wings move so fast that they create a blur, making it almost impossible for the human eye to follow each individual beat. That's faster than the human eye can see. Imagine trying to count each wing beat. It would be like trying to count the drops in a waterfall. It's this incredible wing speed that creates the humming sound they're named for. This sound is not just a byproduct, it's a signature of their unique flying abilities. Imagine flapping your arms that fast. You'd be exhausted in seconds, but hummingbirds do it effortlessly. It's no wonder these little birds are such powerful flyers. Their wing muscles are incredibly strong and efficient, allowing them to hover in place and dart around with ease. They need all that power to stay aloft and perform their amazing aerial maneuvers. These maneuvers are not just for show, they are essential for feeding and avoiding predators. And speaking of maneuvers, did you know that hummingbirds can also fly up to 30 miles per hour? That's an incredible speed for such a tiny bird. That's faster than most people can run. Imagine a bird the size of your thumb outpacing you in a race. It's truly remarkable how much power these tiny creatures can generate with their wings. Their flight is a marvel of natural engineering. They're like little feathered rockets, zipping through the air with incredible speed and agility. Watching them in action is like witnessing a tiny miracle of nature. Chapter 4. Brains and Beauty. Don't let their small size fool you. Hummingbirds are incredibly intelligent creatures. They have an amazing memory and can remember every single flower they've visited, as well as how much nectar each flower contains. That's some serious brain power. Imagine trying to remember every single place you've ever eaten and how much food was there. It's a mind-boggling feat of memory, but for hummingbirds, it's essential for survival. They need to be able to efficiently find food to keep their metabolisms going. So, the next time you see a hummingbird flitting from flower to flower, remember that they're not just randomly choosing their next meal. They're following a carefully planned route based on their impressive memory and knowledge of their territory. Chapter 5. Red Alert! Hummingbirds are naturally drawn to bright colors, especially red. Scientists believe this is because red flowers tend to produce the most nectar. So, it's no surprise that hummingbirds have evolved to be particularly attracted to this vibrant hue. If you want to attract hummingbirds to your garden, planting red flowers is a surefire way to do it. They'll be drawn to your yard like moths to a flame. But it's not just red flowers that catch their eye. Hummingbirds are also attracted to orange, pink, and even yellow flowers. So, don't be afraid to add a splash of color to your garden and create a welcoming haven for these beautiful creatures. They'll reward you with their dazzling aerial displays and cheerful chirping. Chapter 6. Hungry, Hungry Hummers. We've already touched on the fact that hummingbirds have incredibly fast metabolisms, but let's delve a little deeper into their impressive appetites. These tiny birds consume up to twice their body weight in nectar every single day. That's like you or me drinking over 10 gallons of water a day. It's an incredible amount of food for such a small creature to consume. But they need all that energy to fuel their active lifestyles and maintain their body temperature. To put it into perspective, a hummingbird's daily nectar intake would be the equivalent of a human eating around 155,000 calories. It's no wonder they spend so much time eating. When you think of birds, you probably picture creatures covered in feathers, right? Well, hummingbirds are a little different. They actually have far fewer feathers than most other bird species. This is because their feathers are specially adapted for their unique flying style. Instead of having lots of fluffy down feathers for insulation, hummingbirds have streamlined feathers that are designed for speed and agility. Their feathers are also incredibly strong and lightweight, which is essential for their high-energy acrobatics. So while they may not be as fluffy as some of their avian cousins, hummingbirds are perfectly adapted for their unique lifestyle. Their feathers are a testament to the incredible power of evolution. Hummingbirds may be tiny, but they're incredibly strong and resilient creatures. During their annual migrations, some species of hummingbirds can travel up to 500 miles without stopping. That's like flying from New York City to Chicago in one go. It's an incredible feat of endurance for such a small bird. They rely on their incredible stamina and navigational skills to complete these long journeys, and they do it all while weighing less than a nickel. These tiny creatures are a true inspiration, proving that even the smallest among us can achieve incredible things. Their migrations are a testament to the power of nature and the indomitable spirit of these amazing birds. Hummingbirds have a secret weapon when it comes to extracting nectar from flowers: their tongues. Their tongues are specially adapted to act like tiny pumps, allowing them to quickly and efficiently lap up nectar. Unlike our tongues, which are relatively short and stubby, a hummingbird's tongue is incredibly long and thin. It can extend up to twice the length of its beak, and that's not all. Their tongues are also forked at the tip, with tiny hair-like structures called lamellae. These lamellae act like tiny straws, drawing nectar up into the hummingbird's mouth. It's a fascinating example of how evolution has equipped these birds with the perfect tools for their unique feeding habits. Last but not least, we have to talk about the hummingbird's most striking feature: their iridescent feathers. These feathers shimmer and sparkle in the sunlight, creating a dazzling display of color. The secret to their iridescent feathers lies in the structure of the feathers themselves. Tiny air bubbles trapped within the feathers reflect light in different directions, creating the illusion of shifting colors. It's like having 1,000 tiny prisms on their bodies. The next time you see a hummingbird, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of their feathers. They're a true marvel of nature, and a reminder that even the smallest creatures can possess incredible beauty. And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing facts about hummingbirds that prove these tiny creatures are anything but ordinary. From their incredible flying skills to their supercharged metabolisms, hummingbirds are a true marvel of nature. I hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures as much as I enjoyed sharing their secrets with you. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing animal facts. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world. And remember, Even the smallest creatures can have the biggest impact.